Everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting exponential math Olympiad question. This question is 2 to the power x plus x is equal to 5, x is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math problem. Now our question, here is solution. Our question, it will be 2 to the power x plus x is equal to 5. This is our question. Now at this moment you can say here 2 to the power x is equal to 5 minus x. I just move on this x in this side, it will be negative x. Now this expression here 2 to the power x and here is 5 minus x. Now at this moment I divide both sides 2 to the power x. Here is 2 to the power x. Now this expression, it will be 5 minus x over 2 to the power x is equal to this 2 to the power x divide this 2 to the power x, it will be 1. Now at this moment we know that the exponential formula a to the 1 over a to the power n, it will be a to the power minus n. According to this formula, I can say that this expression here, it will be 5 minus x times 2 to the power minus x. This 1 over 2 to the power x, it will be 2 to the power negative x. Then here is equal to 1. Now at this moment you can say here is this expression, it will be negative x, and if I take this positive 5 times 2 to the power minus x is equal to 1. I want to use here is Lambert-W function. Now here minus x plus 5 times 2 to the power minus x times 2 to the power 5 is equal to 1 times 2 to the power 5, it will be 2 to the power 5. I multiply both sides 2 to the power 5. Now here minus x plus 5, then according to exponential formula we know that a to the power n times a to the power m, it will be a to the power n plus m. According to this formula, I can say that this expression 2 to the power minus x times 2 to the power 5, it will be 2 to the power minus x plus 5 is equal to 2 to the power 5. At this moment, if I want to find use here is Lambert-W function, so we know that Lambert-W function a e to the power a, it will be a. Then if you think here is 3 e to the power 3, it is 3. Or if you think it is Lambert-W function 5 e to the power 5, it will be 5. So if I want to use here is Lambert-W function, we need this e. So you can say here minus x plus 5 times e to the power ln 2 and whole to the power minus x plus 5 is equal to 2 to the power 5. Because of that, we know that e to the power ln a is equal to a. I apply this formula here. So e to the power ln 2, it will be 2. Then here is minus x plus 5. Now at this moment here minus x plus 5 times, and it will be e to the power minus x. I just move on this exponent here, so it will be minus x plus 5 times this ln 2, I mean this time this, it will be this, and here is 2 to the power 5. Now at this moment here is ln 2, but here is no ln 2, so I multiply both sides again ln 2. So this expression, it will be minus x plus 5 times ln 2 and e to the power minus x plus 5 times ln 2 is equal to 32 ln 2. I multiply both sides this ln 2, this ln 2, and 2 to the power 5, it will be 32. Now at this moment I use both sides Lambert-W function. Because of that this value and this value, both value is same. So at this moment I use easily this Lambert-W function. It is an interesting maths formula. Now here Lambert-W function minus x plus 5 times ln 2 times e to the power minus x plus 5, here is ln 2, then Lambert-W function 32 ln 2. Now at this moment, if you think this is a, and this is a. So according to this formula, I can say easily here is minus x plus 5 natural log 2. Then here Lambert W function 32 ln 2. Now at this moment, if I divide both sides by ln 2, here is ln 2, this is ln 2, then this ln 2, this ln 2 cancel out. We'll find out minus x plus 5 is equal to Lambert W function 32 ln 2 over ln 2. Now here minus x, it will be Lambert W function 32 ln 2 over ln 2. Now here is if I move on this positive 5 in this side, it will be negative 5. Now at this point x is equal to what? So I multiply both sides by negative 1. So here is x, it will be 5 minus Lambert W function ln 2 over ln 2. Now here is x, this 5 minus this value. At this point, if I use calculator, we'll find out this x, it will be 1.716. This is our final answer in this exponential math Olympiad question. This is the value of x in this interesting math problem. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.